been a while since I've actually put my face on the videos I've been making. I've kind of missed this. Now, I've been making videos for a good year now. I'll be honest, this is not the easiest thing for me to do. I'm not the most articulate person, not the most confident either. I hate when people see me do any of this, but it has pushed me beyond my own limits, and that is why I love it. Okay, ramp coming up. Anyways, now growing up, I was never the most confident person in the room. I actually hated public speaking. Standing in front of a crowd was probably my worst nightmare. Fast forward, now I'm 28. Just sharing what I freaking love has been the most exciting part of my last year. My channel is going to be a little more tailored to me, my personality, and my branding. But I'd love to share some of the things I've been working on without it being months before I post something over here. So this vlog, in a short summary, is going to be about the kind of work I've been doing lately. Here are snapshots of all of it. Yeah, that was just a highlight reel of the things I've been doing lately. I hope to be making more videos on this channel, which will be a little more tailored to the kind of things I do want to be sharing. Until then, like, share, subscribe, turn your notifications on just to see what's been happening. I'd love to share my work here more often. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.